Your alarms are important. If you're in the room, you may want to know if your CO2 levels are getting too high, if the lights go off. Especially if you're remotely accessing the unit, you're going to want to have all of your alarms in. So we have some basics. We have the alarm detent, which is 2 minutes. And that means that if something falls outside of your set points, we wait 2 minutes before we let the alarm go off. Every once in a while, a leaf can sit on top of a light sensor, and that can make it look as though the lights have gone off, but the leaf will then move when the fans turn on, and so we don't want the alarms to just go off randomly. We want to make sure that there is something wrong. We also have the temp alarm. So for your temperatures, if you wanted to enable or disable this, there you go. You can disable the alarm or enable it. Right now I'll leave it enabled. You also have the minimum temperature and the maximum. So we usually want to put a pretty big range on the alarms. We don't really want to make it too tight because we know that the rooms can change by 4 or 5 degrees in any direction at any one time. So you don't really want your alarms going off, if it's 3 degrees above your set point, because they'll just be going off all of the time. So you want to make these ranges quite large. Same thing for your relative humidity, your minimum and your maximum humidities. And then you have your CO2 alarm, which is a pretty important one. It's a safety feature. If your CO2 goes above a certain amount, maybe 17, 18, 1900 parts per million, you will want an alarm to go off so that you can especially get anybody out of the room who may be working in it.